Yo guys, today I'll show you guys how to get more FPS on your games on Windows 11. So first what you want to do is there's two things you can do. Go to edit power plan and put these settings and then go to change advanced power settings. And then here, if whatever yours is on, you can put it on balanced or high performance. I have mine on high performance. Then go down to processor power management and click on minimum processor state, put it to 0, and then maximum processor state to 100. So that allows your processor to go up to 100% usage so you can get more FPS and stuff. So exit out of this, then you're going to want to go to NVIDIA control panel. I already have it open, but here this is what it's going to look like. Go to in the adjust image settings, go to use my preference emphasizing, and then from balanced put it to performance like that, and then press apply. So what this does is takes it from more quality pictures and games and like substitutes it out for more FPS so you don't lag as much and stuff. So these two things will help you in your games to get more FPS. But yeah, if this video helped, please sub. Peace.